Class 7, Assalamu alaikum. Your next chapter of grammar is adverbs of frequency. Let's start the chapter. First of all, we will understand what is an adverb. I know you have already understood this in your class 5 or in class 6, but again we will recall this chapter. An adverb is the word that modifies a verb, or we can say the adverb gives more information about the verb. Examples: Jane is walking. If you observe this picture, here Jane is walking. Walking is a verb here in this sentence, but no additional information about verb is given in this sentence. If you will observe sentence number 2, Jane is walking quickly. Here, more information about the walking of Jane is given. Here, quickly is an adverb because it is giving more information about verb. So, we understood this, that an adverb gives more information about the verb. Now let's move to the next. What is an adverb of frequency? There are many kinds of adverbs: adverb of time, adverb of place. So one of it is adverb of frequency. In this chapter, you will understand only this kind of adverb, adverb of frequency. To understand this, observe the sentences given here. Sentence number 1, Mark plays tennis. In this sentence, the verb is plays. What Mark is doing? He is playing tennis. But no additional information is given here. So this sentence is without an adverb. Now let's observe the sentence number 2. Mark sometimes plays tennis. In this sentence, more information about playing of tennis is given. How often Mark plays tennis? Sometimes. So, sometimes is an adverb of frequency. With the help of this example, you understood that an adverb of frequency is the answer of the question how often. How often plus question form. If you will change this sentence, Mark sometimes plays tennis. If you will change this into a question, then it will be like this. How often does Mark play tennis? And the answer will be sometimes. So, here sometimes is an adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency also describes the frequency of time. Remember that it is also related to adverb of time because it tells the frequency of time, how frequently the work is done. So now it is clear to you what is an adverb of frequency. Now let's move to the next. Now how many kinds of adverb of frequency are there? There are two kinds of adverbs of frequency. Number 1, adverb of indefinite frequency. Number 2, adverbs of definite frequency. As the word itself telling you indefinite. Indefinite means something which is not fixed, and definite something which is fixed. Adverb of indefinite frequency give a general indication of the frequency. For example, always, frequently, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally. All these words which I have written here, they all are in an order and they all are used in positive meaning. For example, if I will say, I always wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, it is a positive sentence. Now see the next words, next example: seldom, rarely, hardly, ever, never. All these words are having negative meaning. For example, I can say, I never play tennis. In this sentence, the sentence is having a negative meaning. So all the words always, frequently, usually, often, sometime, occasionally, they all are having positive meaning. And seldom, rarely, hardly, ever, never, they all are having negative meaning. And if these words are used as adverb of frequency, it means something is not fixed. There is some chance, there is some percentage that time or frequency can be changed. But in definite frequency, it cannot be changed. Now let's see what is the position of adverb of indefinite frequency. Position of indefinite adverbs of frequency. All of the adverbs of indefinite frequency can go before the verb. For example, I always play football. Here, in this example, you can clearly see that always is used before play. So the position of indefinite adverbs of frequency should be before verb. But there are exceptions also. Exception means this rule is not applied in some condition. For example, if the main verb is the verb to be, the adverb of indefinite frequency is used after the verb to be. Verb to be, I have already taught you about to be verb in class 6, that to be is the short form of is, am, are, was and were. So if there are is, am, are, was, were, then indefinite adverbs of frequency can be written after these verbs. For example, Mark is often late. In example number 1, always play. Always is used before play. But in example number 2, often is used after is. Because here is verb to be, and in example number 1, the verb is an action verb. Play. Play is an action. Now see next point, point number 3. occasionally, sometimes, often, frequently, and usually can go at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. So here are 3 points to understand. First, you have understood that indefinite adverbs of frequency are used before main verb as it is given in the example. But second point is they can be used after verb if the verb is verb to be, like is, am, are, was, were. And in example number 3, in rule number 3, you have understood that occasionally, sometimes, often, frequently, and usually can go at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. Like you can say that sometimes I used to read novels. And you can also say I used to read novels sometimes. So here sometimes can be used at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. I hope you understood this. Now adverbs of definite frequency. It describes the exact frequency of an action. Exact frequency. It means the frequency of an action is confirmed, is fixed. Example, I play football 5 times a month. So here it is clear that football is played. It is confirmed that 5 times a month football is played. So it is exact frequency of an action. Now how should it be written? What is the rule of it to write? First of all, we will write the number of frequency. How many times? Like 5 times, 6 times, 3 times, 4 times. Then a and then period of time. Understood this? But if the number of time is only 1, like here is 5 times. I play football 5 times a month. But if football is played only 1 time in a month, then what will be written? It should be written once. And if the number of times is 2, then it should be written twice. Examples are given here. I wash my car once a month. So in place of 1 time, I have written here once. I brush my teeth twice a day. In place of 2 times, I have written twice. Remember this. This is very important rule. Now the next rule is every plus period of time. If the period of time is singular, then you will write every then period of time, like every Sunday, every Monday, every Tuesday. But if the days of the week are plural in number, then you will write on plus days of the week. To understand it, examples are given here. We go to church on every Sunday. We go to watch movies on Saturdays. Clear to you? The first on Saturdays. It should be Saturdays. Sorry, I forgot to write as here. It should be Saturdays. We go to watch movies on Saturdays. Some examples of adverbs of frequency. Example number 1. David frequently travels to America. Here the word frequently is telling about the frequency of traveling. I rarely listen to the radio. My English teacher often gives me homework. I usually come home after completing my work. I always wake up at 6 o'clock. I hope with the help of these examples you understood it clearly. Now the chapter is complete. I will send you a worksheet that is related to this chapter, that is made on the basis of this chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz.